Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and today's plant is the old man palm. This is one of my, like I say, is unidentifiable, but for a few years my little, like I said, my squirrels and the birds that habitat the Dougherty Garden have a tendency to pull the plant tags. I don't know what it is with them, but they don't like plant tags, so it was un-ID'd, and I'm taking a good guess, and I think I'm pretty good at this one, is that the old man palm, as you can take a look at the canopy of the leaves, tend to like fall over and still stay that way. And if you look at some of the mature versions of the old man palm, you'll see that the canopy of the leaves stay down, and most people that I have seen don't remove them. They basically let them stay there. And it looks like an older woman with a skirt. Not that I'm knocking older women, but I'm just for liking, I don't see a men with skirts, so this is going to be a woman with a skirt. And the branches stick out like that above there. So it's pretty palm. Thank God I found it, because I was trying to figure out an idea, and I said, it's got to be the Coccothrinax crinita, the old man palm. So that was last year when I finally identified it, and it's one of my palms. It's one of my treasures. I keep it in the pot over here. I want to put it in the ground. The fields are going to grow so huge. But that's it for right now. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. Have any questions about the old man palm? Well, is anybody else growing one? But like I said, here's another video of the Dougherty Garden. This is the palm section. I'm collecting all the videos. I guess carry through the fall and the winter until I capture them all, even though, and then one day I'm going to do weeds, because those little things annoy the crap out of me. All right, thank you for stopping by. If you liked the video, had a comment, or you growing one, let us know. Thank you. Bye-bye.